Abateezi Bakaruru Bashabwa Okurinda Obusingye Omukaruru ko kuronda omwebembezi w'entebe ya katano ahabwa district zona okwetorora ihanga.
So we ask you again to give us the same peace, okay? To give us the same calmness that nothing will change. Let's have these elections conducted peacefully because that's what everyone requires of us.
Omwami Charles Wafra ori kurira ekitongore ekiteeza Akaruru ahabwa district ya Ntungamo yagamba ebi obu yabana yakire boxes z'obururu obu okuteera ebiro 22 by'okwezi oku aha mbuga nkuru za district ya Ntungamo aho boxes zirabikwe okwisa izooba rya Akaruru.
Just this morning we received the polling materials for the elections of district chairperson, directly elected councillor and district women councillor. I've received materials here for the 812 polling stations. So the materials I've received are purely ballot papers that are contained in the black boxes. The rest of the materials were received last week and they have not gone back. So we have the transparent ballot boxes that we have, the basins that we have, and any other materials. These ones were the ones that were missing. So I've received them today. I've verified together with my stakeholders around, and all of them are with us.
Kandi wuri RDC ahabwa district ya Ntungamo omukyara Miriam Mugisha Kagiga yarabura omuntu weno wakuba nayenda kushisha Obusingye Omukaruraka ngu ubonkabe byo kwerinda betegwire kumukoraho.
Haba hariyo abakugira ngo babasofite kanisa ebyo kwisha Akaruru kita kuza kutere birabira na bibiri ruhango gunaza kuba yabanyorekero mu mutima gwanje haza kwaraheze kutubatworeka baisha kugira ngo barete ebintu byo kutabura Akaruru ka Ntungamo district buzimazima ntusagaruka tugeki tubikwata nishaba nti kweharwo owabe na planning akubirete muri Ntungamo district mbwenu kutwetu abikwasiri kore nonda ku planning ebindi iwe iroko tendo planning konkanyo ni kwamisirisa ungwite security tukwetegere noja kubireta kandi bensagaruka tubikwata.
Abebyo kwerinda nabo baba bariho kandi boxes zabiko mwanya gubarirwa Akaruru ahabwa district age. Gashakwa Wilson Kanyasije ahabwa Modern Television omuri Ntungamo.